Marhaban fi Marrakesh.
In the spice market. Homemade food in the countryside in Morocco. Chef, artist, he serves.
Marhaban fi Marrakesh. Welcome to Marrakesh. Let's go explore some of the old city, the Medina, and just all the beautiful objects and items that people love to buy there, and some of the newer parts of the city. I'll show you some of my favorites. Let's go. Yalla. For the most authentic experience, I recommend staying in one of the many beautiful riads here, and those are kind of like traditional family homes that have been converted into hotels with beautiful courtyards, often with like a pool, things like that. So get that experience. You can find them either online or on Airbnb. This one has some beautiful colors, kind of fresh greens that really contrast the warm, earthy tones of the rest of the city, so it feels like you're entering into a nice, beautiful oasis.
I love how they like sculpt all the doorways and showers, and it's just like kind of all sculpted and built in. Pretty cool. Like even the sink is just sculpted like with plaster or something. Really cool. Everybody gets inspired architecturally and design-wise in Morocco. Bring them all the way for hair also. Well, I guess not all the way, but it's still pretty cool design-wise. Hey. Homemade food in the countryside in Morocco with beautiful company and an amazing chef artist. He serves on the DJ set and in fashion and in the kitchen. So here we go. Sorry, it's probably not that nice on camera to eat meat, but I'm not a big meat eater. I'm a big proponent of plant-based living, but I'm going to try this because it's a local specialty called tangia, and let's see how it goes. Super tender, delicious, and in Moroccan Arabic it's a banin. Tasty. The main square again with nice bright sun, and usually it's super hot here, but it's not too bad right now because we've had some unusual rain and it's winter time still, but it's still warm for a lot of people elsewhere in the world that come from cold countries. So here's what it's like on a nice sunny day.
I love looking for small home decor items, little trimmings, ribbons, tassels, this kind of woven trim called sfifa, and all sorts of creative things for fun projects and home decor. So many people come to Morocco just for the rugs. You'll see that so many interior designers and things always say that they got a rug from Morocco. It's because they have big giant shops in the Medina, in the old part of the town, where they just have like mountains of rugs. They'll pull them out for you, and you can even custom order them in the size that you want, the colors that you want, and really the sky's the limit here. You can find so many shops full of a million little objects. It can be overwhelming for some people. It's like a maximalist's dream and a minimalist's nightmare. I love the traditional jewelry. I love the big giant beads and things like that. A lot of them are made for like hanging on the wall, but I'm gonna wear them just on me like a necklace, you know?
Yes. Yes. What?
best views of the city, especially at sunset, is from the top of Stato, which is located just off the spice market. And you kind of go up these stairs. There's these cool boutiques along the way as you go up. And then there's delicious drinks that await you when you get to the top, and you just sit there and watch the sunset and hear the sounds of the city. I'm enjoying a rose flavored drink. I think that has grenadine in it or something. There's so many homewares and pottery that you just want to buy it all. You're only limited by the space in your luggage, or if you want to, you can ship it to your home country.
Thank you so much. I designed myself.
We're going to see something called a Gnawa ritual, or kind of evening. And they have a sort of transcendental experience where they dance and chant and make rhythms and move around. And apparently they say that they're communicating with different spirits that are represented by different colors and things like that. But whatever the beliefs are, it was an interesting experience that I felt privileged to be able to observe and take a little bit part in, and just to kind of observe what different people believe. And while they're making music and having an interesting experience, it was quite something special that not many people get to experience. By the light of day, back in the city, in the Medina, in Jemma, I go to one of the many fruit juice vendors. They make such delicious pressed juices, all fresh, and they really help you get the vitamins when you're walking in the sun or staying up all night at different parties and stuff. Let's head out of the Medina to a little bit more modern part of the city that's called Geliz. When you head towards the neighborhood of Geliz, you find more international chain stores, a little bit more modern architecture, but still with that Moroccan flair. You can find shopping malls and supermarkets with modern amenities. H&M is surprisingly more expensive here. I think it's almost double the price of North America or Europe, and it must be due to import taxes or something. Let's get back to the Medina for that lunch. Food in Morocco is one of the best things about the experience. I just love the tagines, the tajillas, all different kinds of things, and the fresh bread. It literally just comes to your plate like warm, and they eat their food with the bread, and it's just kind of really makes you feel like you're eating something hearty and good. There are so many beautiful buildings, riads, museums, that it's hard to fit all into one video, so maybe I'll have to make some more. Or you have to come and visit it for yourself and check it out. This is such an amazing place. I hope you'll get to visit someday. If you're still here, that means that there's probably something that you're enjoying on this video, and you might enjoy one of my others. I'm a new channel, so I can appreciate every like, comment, and subscription. Please go and check out some of my other ones, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
So we're here in the Majorelle Garden in Marrakesh.